In this practice, we will draw, edit, and dimension a simple cross-section using a variety of tools, such as drawing aids and shortcut menu options. The purpose of this practice is to familiarize yourself with styles of this practice in this training and to review how to use AutoCAD software. Open the cross-section -1 drawing. In the status bar, expand the object snap and select endpoint and toggle object snap on. Start the polyline command. Use the endpoint object snap to pick the left endpoint on the top right horizontal line. Toggle the polar tracking on if it's not already done. Move the cursor straight down, type 1, and press enter. Now right-click on the drawing window and select the arc. Click on this point, move the crosshair horizontally to the left, type 2, and press enter. Right-click in the drawing window and select line. Draw a polyline segment straight up and pick the right endpoint of the top left horizontal line. Now, select the new polyline object that you just created to display the grips. Right-click, expand polyline, and select Edit Polyline. Select the Join option, select all of the other lines in the drawings, and press Enter. Note that the polyline and all the other lines are converted into a single object. Select the leader and the M-text note. Right-click and select Move. Move the objects 3 units to the right. In the ribbon, in the Annotate tab, Dimension panel, expand the layer control and select the layer dimensions. Create a linear dimension on the bottom of the object and a radius dimension on the arc. When you are done dimensioning, press Escape to end the dimension command. Select only the linear dimension. Hover your cursor over the dimension grip for the dimension text and select Above Dim Line from the multifunctional grip list. You'll see that the text moves above the line. Select the radius dimension, right-click, and change the precision to 0.0. Add a linear dimension to the left vertical line. Double-click on the magenta text and modify it to say, Grind and polish this surface. Open the Layer Properties Manager, select the layer object and set it to be active if it's not already active. Right-click in the Layer Properties Manager and select All but Current. Freeze the selected layer and close the Layer Property Manager. Only the P-line object displays in the drawing window without any dimensions or text.